Today is a special day. We are going to do magic science experiment. Huh? Where is Anya? She's right here. She wants to surprise you. She always wants to do that. Okay. Did you guys know that science is split into 3 main groups? Chemistry, biology, and physics. Today we are going to do one fizzing balloon experiment. I hope you will like it. Let's get started.
Yes!
Anya, pick the color of the balloon.
This is a purple balloon.
Yes. Okay, what else do we need for this magic fizzing balloon is soda. We actually need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. We also need vinegar. Don't confuse, this is not water. This is the vinegar. Don't drink it. Can you smell it?
Bro, that's disgusting.
That it has very strong smell. We also need a plastic bottle that you can see through.
But the paper is gonna get wet.
No, we are going to refill it inside, not outside. And we need a funnel. It's just easier to refill our bottle.
So it's not gonna be boom.
Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Let's get started. Do you want to be my little assistant today?
No, I want to be the boss.
Okay, she is the boss. Okay, boss. First step, we need to put this vinegar into the bottle. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, now you can see.
Let's do the vinegar already.
The vinegar is inside. Okay, let's get to step number 2.
Yeah.
Now we take the balloon, we put the funnel inside the balloon. Let me show how to do it first. And now I need your assistance. Please put this baking soda inside. Can you take it?
Don't hold it. I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, and put it all inside. 2 tablespoons. But I already measured it. Okay, good. We're going to do step number 3. We need to place the neck of the balloon over the top of the bottle. But be careful, don't let the soda drop inside of the bottle. Okay, let's do that carefully. Just like this. Okay, it's done. Look, so don't let it drop inside.
Okay.
Time to do the experiment.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Step number 4. Let the soda drop inside and let the experiment work. Okay, now we will drop all of it. I think it still got some soda inside. Woo! The gas wanted to come out. Look at this! Look at this! So what is actually happening? The gases want to come out, but the balloon doesn't let them come out. That's why the balloon is inflated. Because of the gases from this chemical reaction. So guys, as the gases rises up, they are trapped by the balloon. This causes the balloon to inflame. And that's why we can see that. That's not the magic. This is science. Was it fun, Anya?
Yeah, I want to poke it.
Yeah, she wants to poke it. Are you guys ready? I will close my ears. Okay, Anya, do it.
Oh, you're just doing it. Just do that.
You can poke it and close your ears at the same time. She's ready. I will close my ears.
Oh, what is the doesn't? Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh, that was
Magic. Okay, guys, now I would like to tell you a little bit more about this experiment. So what actually happens is when baking soda and the vinegar are mixed together, the chemical reaction happens, and the gas that is produced by this chemical reaction called carbon dioxide. So when they mix together, the gas that is produced by this chemical reaction is called carbon dioxide. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like our video if you enjoyed doing crafts and experiments with us. Bye bye.